Hey y'all, let's make the best 2-minute crab salad ever. We'll start with some good mayonnaise and then add some scallion. Next, some diced celery. Then some table salt. Some Mrs. Clotilde's Creole seasoning. Some dried oregano. Dried thyme. Dried parsley. Ground black pepper. Some Louisiana cane sugar. A bit of fresh lemon juice. And some rice wine vinegar. We'll mix this all together. And finally, add your imitation crab. Give it a stir. And serve cold on a bed of fresh greens. Garnish with cold tomato wedges. And finish with a sprinkling of dill. And there you have it, the best 2-minute Creole crab salad you'll ever eat. Give it a try, you won't be disappointed. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.